Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech with Can. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build your very first AI image classification model without writing a single line of code. We will use Google's Teachable Machine and a simple cats versus dogs data set. By end of this video, you will understand the basic AI workflow, collecting the data, training a model, and making a prediction. So, what are we building? Imagine we have thousands of images and we want a computer to automatically identify whether an image contains a cat or dog. For humans, this is easy. For a computer, we need to train it using examples. This is called image classification. To train our AI model, we need the data. So in this video, I'm going to use the Google Teachable Machine. Click on search for Google Teachable Machine. Get started. Click image project. Standard image model. So we need data set. I'm going to use the cats versus dogs dataset, which contains images of cats and dogs. In machine learning, data is everything. The more relevant and higher quality of data we provide, the better model we can learn. So for this demo, we use kaggle.com. Then we download a sample data set. Go to data set, look for cats and dogs, and click on cats and dogs and download dataset. So here you can see you have these are all cat images. So you have different types of cats. Um, so Google Teachable Machine is a free tool that allows anyone to train machine learning models without coding. Behind the scenes, it uses machine learning and neural networks, but Google handles the complexity for us. Our job is simply to provide examples. So let's create image project, standard image model. So in machine learning, we often uh, the categories are called often categories are often called as classes. For this demo, we have two classes. One is make as cat, then another class is dog. This model will learn. We need to upload the images. So this model will learn the visual differences between these two classes. So once you upload this, choose images from your file or got archive. So we have downloaded this one from kaggle.com as a training data. So you can see train, then dog. So you can see different dogs here. So yeah, so this is for the dogs. Then if you click on cats, so these are the cats. So we got like approximately 95 items. Right. Archive, train. Which one is the first one? The first one is a cat. Then select all, then open. So all these images are um, added here. There are 95 image samples. Then similarly, go to dog, selected um, train, dog, select all of them, click OK. So now um, here it comes the interesting part. When I click train model, teachable machine begins analyzing the images. So preparing the training data. So what it is doing behind the scenes? It looks for patterns such as shape of the face, position of the ears, eye placement, fur pattern, and other visual characteristics. The AI does not understand what a cat or dog is the way humans do. Instead, it learns mathematical patterns from the images. While training, this process is called model training. The model is building an internal representation of what makes a cat look like a cat and a dog look like a dog. So you got a message, don't switch tabs. You must leave this tab open to train our model. So to get to this stage, it took around 2 minutes. Once the training is complete, now let's test the model using um, now the training is completed. Now let's test model using image it hasn't seen before. So this is important because we want to know whether the model can generalize to a new data. Um, so what I will do is then cat I think I have a problem with my internet. Then let's type the cat, click on images here, then I'll take one of the cat here. Mhm. So drag into here. Then go back to our model. So images on our files, click here, then downloads folder, and test cat. So now you can see um, the model is showing as this as a cat is a 100%. So if I pick up dog, and test dog, and go to Google Teachable, then upload image, then test dog. So now you can see this is a dog is 100%. Now just to recap, so we went to Kaggle to download the dataset. Uh, Obviously we need the data. So we downloaded the data set cats versus dogs, and then we uploaded into Google Teachable. So we created the new project, image project, then we upload it into this, and this is called classes, and often called as categories. So this put as a cat, then I upload all the cat images, then I put the dog as a class name or category name, then I added all these dogs, then we click the model, train the model. So during the training the model, as I said, um, the teachable machine begins analyzing the images. It look for patterns, like shape of the face, position of the ears, then eye placement for patterns, and any other characteristics. Remember one thing: AI does not understand what a cat or dog is the way humans do. Instead, it learns a mathematical pattern from the images. So this is called as model training. So in just a few minutes, we have built an image classification model without writing any single code. So we have learned what a data set is, what image classification means, how model training works, how to test the predictions. If you found this is useful, please like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.